In this video, you'll learn how to pay after task completion on Taskrabbit. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary steps to ensure your payment is processed smoothly. Begin by launching the Taskrabbit app on your device. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the home screen which displays various options related to your tasks. Look for the section labeled Tasks and tap on it to proceed. After accessing the Tasks section, you will see a list of tasks you have initiated or completed. Locate the specific task that you have recently completed. This task will typically be marked as finished or completed. Tap on the task to open its details. Inside the task details, focus on the information presented. First, check the hours worked section to confirm the number of hours your tasker worked on your task. This information is crucial for ensuring accurate payment based on the agreed upon rate. Next, review the materials section. If any materials were used during the task, this section will outline any additional costs incurred for materials. If applicable, ensure this aligns with your expectations before proceeding. Once you have verified both the hours worked and any materials used, you will see options to either approve or review the task. If everything appears correct, tap on Approve to confirm the completion and authorize payment. Alternatively, if you have feedback or concerns, choose the Review option to provide your input. After tapping Approve, the payment will be processed automatically. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your payment is being processed. This step typically occurs quickly, but depending on your internet connection, there may be a brief loading period. It is important to note that your payment method will be charged as per the agreement made with your tasker. Ensure your payment information is up to date in your Taskrabbit account settings to avoid any issues during this process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.